Woodwork holding tools. Basic science and technology. Lesson focus. 1. Description of woodwork holding tools. 2. Description of woodwork bench. 3. Woodwork holding tools. 4. Care and maintenance of woodwork holding tools. 5. Evaluation questions. Description of woodwork holding tools. Woodwork holding tools are tools used to hold the woodwork piece firm on the workbench or on machine tool in order to have a successful work activity. Description of woodwork bench. The woodwork bench is a flat surface table on which most woodwork activities are being carried out. The woodwork bench side or center part is made to be lower than its 2/3 sides. This lowered part is called well. Well is used for placing tools while working to avoid tool falling or rolling off the bench. Examples of woodwork holding tools. 1. Bench vise. Uses. Bench vise is used for holding wood in good position during work operation. 2. Bench hook. Uses. One bench hook is used to protect the bench top. 2. It is used for holding small piece of wood while working. 3. Bench stop. Uses. Bench stop is used to prevent wood from slipping off the bench during planing. 4. G-clamp. Uses. G-clamp is used for holding woodwork edges when assembling or gluing. 5. F-clamp. Uses. F-clamp is used to secure workpiece in good position for gluing. 6. Sash clamp. Uses. Sash clamp is used for holding and drawing wood tight when assembling. 7. Bench hold fast. Uses. Bench hold fast used to fix a workpiece to the top or side of the bench while it is being worked. 8. Edge clamp. Uses. Edge clamp is used to hold wood pieces in place until glue dries. 9. Hand screw. Uses. Hand screw is used for holding wood pieces when gluing, painting and assembling. 10. Carver quick adjustment clamp. Uses. Carver quick adjustment clamp is used for holding workpiece together while working. Care and maintenance of woodwork holding tools. 1. Dusting and cleaning of tools. 2. Oiling and greasing tool joints. 3. Sharpening of sharp edges. 4. Tightening of tool bolts and nuts. 5. Keeping tool in proper place. Evaluation questions. 1. Name 3 woodwork holding tools. 2. Describe the functions of the woodwork holding tools listed. 3. Draw 3 woodwork holding tools. 4. Explain 5 ways on how to care and maintain woodwork holding tools.
Thank you for watching. Like this video by clicking on the like button, click on subscribe button to see more videos on Save One channel, also share, it's good to share.